Alrighty guys, so today is July the 10th and it is still really hot outside. It's like in the 90s right now. And I'm back at an all too familiar unit. It's been a while since we seen this little condenser. The 3-ton ICP from 2003. Coil is still clean, you can see through it. It's got some coil rot going on at the bottom, like really bad coil rot. But it still works. Here's a big old Copeland compressor. My camera will focus. And haven't had any trouble out of it. I had a new contactor, run cap, and I forget what else was done last year. About a year ago, all new ductwork was put in under here. So let's go on in and look at the furnace. So it is really hot in here right now. And there's no power, so I don't know why this thermostat, I guess the lady who moved out didn't shut the thermostat off when the lights went out. It's 94 in here. Here's the old Coleman air handler. I'm not going to take a door off or electric furnace. I need to put another filter in because this one's clogged. The vent screens look clean and the ductwork still looks good. Anyways, thought I'd show this system. I doubt I'll get a startup this year or not because I'm fixing to list this place on the for rent site. Anyways, see you on the next one. Bye for now.